Hello and welcome to this special report at XM.com. I'm Maria Pachardis, and joining me is Senior Investment Analyst Rafi Boyadjian. Today we'll be discussing the latest rally in Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, the world's most popular cryptocurrency, it seems to be experiencing a revival now. Why is this the case?
So that's right. So we're seeing lately a lot of interest from institutional investors. They see cryptocurrencies increasingly as an alternative form of investment as they seek to diversify their portfolios. But interestingly, there's been a bit of a trend developing lately between the cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin and gold. So a lot of investors are increasingly seeing Bitcoin as a bit of a safe haven. In fact, every time we saw an escalation in trade tensions between the US and China, we saw growing increased demand for Bitcoin. So even though Bitcoin is intended to be as a form of carrying out financial digital transactions, in fact, many investors are choosing to put their money in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as a store of value similar to gold.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Several new big names are entering the cryptocurrency sphere. Who are they, and do you think they'll be successful?
Yeah, we've had a lot of big name announcements recently. The parent company of the New York Stock Exchange announced plans to create a new cryptocurrency exchange called Backed. We had JP Morgan saying it plans to launch a new digital coin. And of course, more recently, we've had that the major announcement from Facebook. They want to launch a new cryptocurrency called Libra. We should point out, though, that Libra will, in fact, not be controlled by Facebook. It's going to be run by a non-profit organization. In fact, Facebook's main plans are with its own digital wallet called Calibra. So through Calibra, they want to enable transactions for Libra, and then this will be done through Facebook's apps such as Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp. And so there's been a lot of interest lately by all these big names, and this has helped increase the adoption of cryptocurrencies globally, and as it increases the awareness of basically of Bitcoin and other digital currencies.
Mm-hmm. And so is the current uptrend in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies likely to continue?
Well, this remains to be seen. We've already seen a bit of a downside correction in Bitcoin over the past week or so, and this coincidentally corresponds with a similar pullback we saw in gold, and that's mainly down to the easing of trade tensions we had following that G20 summit. So this once again confirms that there's a Bitcoin status as potentially a new kind of safe haven. So whether or not the rally will get back on track could depend on what's going to happen in the trade tensions between the US and China, as well as, of course, whether we're going to get more announcements over the coming months from the likes of Facebook, from big names announcing their plans to enter the cryptocurrency world.
Great. Rafi, thank you very much for joining
Thank
me.
you.
And thanks for watching us here on XM.com.